Hey guys, this is Tyler with Sure Shot Pest and Weed Control back again to show you the soapy water test to see if you have armyworms in your grass. So if you have any areas in your lawn where it looks like it's yellowing or dying and you don't know why, and it happened all of a sudden here in the last week or so, it may be armyworms. So this is a good way to check for them. So you're going to get about a gallon of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of soap and mix it up real good and put it into a container. Let me show you what I got here. So we've got a pitcher of soapy water, and we're going to go over to this area that it looks like we got some stuff dying. I'm going to move out to kind of the newer area, or not newer, excuse me, the area that looks like it's still alive a little bit here, like it's not dying. And I'm going to pour this water, pretty healthy amount. You don't have to drench it, but get it kind of soaking wet on the soil. The soap and water will irritate them and draw them out of there. It takes 10 to 15 minutes sometimes. So we'll let that sit for just a little bit and we'll see what happens. So we've come back after about 10 minutes, and as you can see, there's a handful of armyworms coming up to the top of the grass to get away from that soapy water we put down there that's irritating them. So just in this small area, we've got a handful, which means that this yard definitely has armyworms and it needs to be treated sooner rather than later. If you've ever dealt with armyworms, you know that it can be kind of an overnight deal, especially in a fescue lawn. So as soon as you see them, you need to call us and have us come treat. Um, we can't treat preventatively for them. Unfortunately, the residual just doesn't work as well as spraying on them. So as soon as you see them, call us. If you have some yellowing or dying spots that you want us to take a look at for you, give us a call. We get free estimates, 405 942 5292.